How you doing? Good?
I'm doing well.
Oh, perfect.
Loving this weather.
You're loving this weather. Look at him.
Loving this weather, mate.
Short pants and short sleeves.
Yeah.
He's made from antifreeze. Alright, now we'll go to Invercargill, where the motorcycle museum is, and Burt Munro motorcycle stay, so we can see it. Well, this is Gore city center. Gore, New Zealand capital of country music. Alright. I've been here yesterday, but I did not have the camera with me, so now you'll be able to see what it is. Just like a one main street, and everything is on it, all shops and everything. Here actually I bought an internet card yesterday. I ate a Pizza Hut over there. So this is like the main street. Here's some old buildings, beautiful old buildings like this one. H&J Smith's. Small town, small community. I like it. McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, of course. Alright, Invercargill 65 case. So this is the center of Invercargill. There's a beautiful church here. Town Hall Theater. And the old façadas, cool. Alright, so this is the classic motorcycle museum, and we'll go to visit it now. Cool. Alright, that's it. 320 bikes, all years. And the most important is the bike of Burt Munro bike. Yeah, true.
Oh, I don't know if it's here. We'll have to ask.
We'll have to ask. Alright, let's go. Look at this Ducati, 1988, 1974. Look at this Benelli, 750. Oh man. Six-cylinder. All of these old fellas here. BC, Triumph, Douglas, Norton, and many more. A lot of Harley Davidson with sidecars. What is this? Oh, this is Trike. Morgan's and Micro Cars in collection. Alright. Morgan Super Sport, 1933. Look at this. Not a gutsy. See what the engine it's got. Indian bikes, and Burt Munro bike is not here. It's in another place, and we'll go to see it. But probably this is the the bike he started with before all the modifications he has done, because he has the world record for bike under 1000 cc. 1928 Indian 101 Scout 750 cc. Alright. See what is these gears here? This is actually the speedometer connected, because it has a chain here on that side. Nice, huh? You got the next one. Let's ride, huh? Cool. Oh, you have bigger. You have a Harley. What is this one? Sounds like a sport bike. But as I said, guys, more than 320 motorcycles. For someone who is really interesting from the old technologies, this will be just unbelievable journey. Alright, was interesting to see all of this. Let's go to find where we can see Burt Munro bike. That's it, Burt Munro's 1920 Indian Scout 600cc sidewall bored into 1000cc. This is the original bike. And this is the bike they use in the movie. This bike actually is with a Ducati engine. It was used to film the scenes in America, in Salt Lake, in Bonneville, USA. And this one is the original bike. But for me it was so interesting to see how small it is, how tiny it is. And this guy did it.
We will take you to the real deal shortly.
What the fuck is a man? What happened with his balls? Crazy man. Crazy man. Alright, we saw the fastest Indian. Let's see if we can find some tires now. Oh, beautiful lighthouse. Or maybe something else, but looks like a lighthouse. Alright, after a few minutes and few shops, it became obvious that we cannot change the tires here because they don't have tires. So I'm gonna change it in Christchurch. And now we'll find a place to stop, maybe drink something, eat something. Then we'll see what we can do. Looks good. Yummy, yummy. Go, enjoy your meal, what I've got. Nice. Nice place. Too crowded, but nice place. With all of these old billboards for motorcycles. Cool. Alright, I'm very happy to say to you that Jan and his son David just bought a pair of motorcycle boots, which is great. They listen to me. I have it on video now. Yeah. This is not good, yeah. This is good, yeah.
It's a bit of a compromise.
Yeah, but it's much better than this. Alright, at least they've got a proper motorcycle boots. Cool. This is Johan, our drone man now. And he's never cold. Look at this. It is around probably 5 degrees and he has short sleeves and short pants.
I've got a jacket on.
Ah, you got a jacket?
I've got a jacket on.
Alright. Ah, man. He's our drone man. So we'll go to the beach now. Try to record some nice footage. Welcome to Oreti Beach. Well, this is what it is. This is the beach where Burt Munro traveled and practiced with his motorcycle. This is where he actually did a lot of exercise, and this is where I want to exercise now. You see what it is? Wonderful. I always love these beaches, and this is one of the beaches I'm gonna test now. Wonderful, just wonderful. Oh man, it's so cool.
Jan and David. Oh man, what an experience, what an experience. How you doing? Good?
I'm doing well.
Oh, perfect.
Loving this weather.
You're loving this weather, look at him.
Loving this weather, mate.
Short pants and short sleeves.
Yeah.
He's made from antifreeze. Alright, wonderful. Great time. I guess you warm up now. Ah, cool. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely perfect. What a day. What an experience.
Alright, go. Yeah. Go.